So uber easy and super cute. I'm going to show you how to make these shaker bows. I've been making these for my TNs and junk journals, and for the little one's hair bow. This is one of the ones that is for her hair bow. So it's super cute, super easy, and it just has your shaker bits inside. Really, really easy. So I'm going to show you how to make, you can even put little beads, little charms inside. I'm going to show you how to make this today, okay? So what you're going to need is some vinyl, clear vinyl, and I get this from Hobby Lobby, Joann's. You could get the thick one, you can get the, I use the soft one personally, but you could get the thick one if you want it. And I'm just going to cut a piece. Of course, you can make yourself a pattern, but when I craft, I make my own patterns, and sometimes I just eyeball things. This is one of those projects that you could definitely just eyeball it. So this does have a crease because I had it folded, but that's okay. It doesn't really bother me. So what I'm going to do is just fold a piece, however piece you want. Here's one that I was finishing up that is more smaller. It's probably like 4 fingers in length. The other one is way bigger. So I'm just going to fold the vinyl in half. Of course, you can make yourself a pattern. It will make your life so much easier. But again, I'm just going to eyeball it just for the tutorial's sake. So I'm going to try to cut my edges. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to cut the fold edge as well. And what you're going to want to do is take it lengthwise, and you are going to fold it lengthwise. So we fold that in half, and then what I like to do is just cut down like I'm cutting a bow or a triangle. Stop midway and start up the opposite side. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's almost perfect. I don't know if you can see that. Get rid of the excess when you